God is good all the time, and all the time, God is good. Ako nga pala si Brother Emmanuel Almeria, SDB, mula sa Don Bosco Post-Novitiate Community, and I am here to share to you my reflections in answering the question, why does God allow physical evil? Have you ever wondered why bad things happen? Like sickness, natural disasters, earthquake, baha, or even death. If God is good, sabi natin kanina, God is good all the time, and all the time God is good, why would He allow these things to happen to us? It's a tough question, napakahirap sagutin, but I am here to share something deep and beautiful from our faith and philosophy that I will share to you today. So God doesn't directly desire suffering. What He does desire is a universe that's real, alive, and full of meaning. Take volcanoes. They erupt because that's their nature. And in that eruption, new land is formed. Or think of the food chain. Some animals live because others die. God wills the good of creation. But in that good, physical evil can happen indirectly as part of the natural order. Even sickness or death can be allowed by God, not because He enjoys our pain and sufferings, but because He sees beyond it. Sickness might lead someone to holiness. Death might inspire others to live with deeper faith. There's something greater good in every suffering that we experience. As the early Christians said, sanguis martyrum semen Christianorum. The blood of martyrs is the seed of Christians. Dahil kung wala yung mga martyrs natin nung unang panahon in defending the faith, maybe we will not be inspired to fight also for our faith. So there is greater good despite of the deaths or experiences or martyrdom of our past Christians and saints. So yes, physical evil exists, but in God's wisdom, it can become a path to something greater. Not everything painful is meaningless. Sometimes, it's the very soil where grace grows. And that's a truth worth holding on to. So kung nakaka-experience ka ng sufferings ngayon, ng pain, ng sickness, offer it to God and reflect on it. Kung nasaktan ka, I don't know what kind of negativities yung na-experience mo ngayon, pero maybe there's something na good na pinre-prepare sa'yo si God, or there is something a greater lesson beyond it. Kaya reflect on it. And you know, God allows it because there is a reason behind it. And yun yung panghawakan natin. God is good all the time, and all the time, God is good. So why does God allow physical evil? That's my sharing for today. And thank you so much for your attention and watching this video. Again, I am Brother Emmanuel Almeria, SDB from Don Bosco Post-Novitiate. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye!